Welcome back everybody. So this is gonna be a quick update video for you guys on DJT Trump Media and Technology Group. So before we get started, please smash that like button, and 100 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated guys. And if you want to support the channel and get all my daily trade ideas, swing trade ideas, live trading and all kinds of setups, definitely check out their link down below in the description for Patreon. And before we get started, I just wanted to say my thoughts and prayers goes out to the victim, what happened over the weekend, and especially my thoughts and prayers goes out to President Trump. At least he's safe now. Otherwise, we would be talking about a different topic right now, guys. I'm glad that he's safe and he's okay. And it's just a horrible situation what happened over the weekend. And everybody should be condemning this, and this should not happen. I don't want to talk too much about politics, but this is how they do it. If you're not winning against the guy, well, just take him out. That's all I got to say. Right now, forget about politics and let's talk about DJT. So with what happened over the weekend, there was no big catalyst, nothing except convention, right? But over the weekend, what happened, that actually triggered a massive gap up on DJT, and that is why this thing can move even higher, and that is why this update is coming out to you guys. Now what happened, this is actually, you can see, this thing was pretty much wedging right here. It was on a downtrend. The last video I made was, I think, somewhere here just a couple days ago, and I said once we get above this trend line, we could see a massive explosion. And you can see this is actually a breakaway gap on DJT. And now a lot of money are pouring in right here on DJT, and especially on Donald Trump, because now there is more chances of him winning the election and going back into that office. There is more chances of him winning and going back into that office. And that is why you see a lot of money actually pouring in right here on DJT. And for that, this thing can go up easily up to 100, 150, and who knows where else this thing can go. We just have to wait and find out. Now, let's talk about technicals. You can see this thing got up to 46, got a rejection, and now not even holding 50-day moving average, which is going to be right here around 41.58. And we're actually trading just below that. So watch out. There will be strong support right here around 37 to 36, this trend line. And below that, we could be coming back and closing this gap, which I don't like to see. That's going to be around 31.55 on DJT. And that's going to be also support. And below that, we also have support at 28 and this gap at 28.21. Now, if this thing can close today, it's only 12 p.m., right? If this thing can close over, I would say 42, maybe even 46, that's going to be extremely bullish for tomorrow and next few days. If we can get a close over, I would say over this red line 50-day, which is going to be around 41.58, but I would say roughly 42. If we can close over 42, even better over 46, that is going to be extremely bullish. And from there, you're going to see 53, 63, possibly up to 71. And then who knows, maybe even 100. So this is actually a massive volume here on DJT with a breakaway gap. And if this thing can continue this way, definitely you're going to see it's breaking out of this downtrend already. And there is more room to the upside where this thing can go up to easily 60 to 70 bucks, at least up here at 53. So far we got up to 46, I think almost 49 pre-market. And a lot of people took profit, which I don't blame people. If things go up overnight 50%, you're gonna take profit. So nothing wrong with that. But hopefully you left some runners and this thing can run even higher. So watch out for that. And definitely now there is more chances of Donald Trump winning and going back into that office. He's getting a lot of donation, a lot of money coming in because of what happened recently. And that is why there is a huge chance, and you don't want to miss when this thing is trading at 100, 150, and you're looking at it like it was down here. I thought it was going to go down to $5. I didn't buy it. You don't want to be that person. So, if you bought it, kudos to you. You're making a lot of money and you could be making even more money, guys. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And I'll definitely keep you guys updated as I see this uptrend continuing to the upside.